is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So before we get into it, man, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out my videos. We've grown this page so much in the last year, and I am so close to the next step in this YouTube journey and really being able to, you know, do the things that I've wanted to do since the beginning of all this. So before we get into the whole video, whatever, we're just doing a quick rip down over to the gym. It's the end of the day type of ride. We got the sun setting. First of all, I just want to say thank you again. Second, if you guys could please give me a like and comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and watch a few minutes of this video. Right now, I'm struggling to get the watched hours I need to be able to hit the next step. So if you guys are able to give me a few minutes of your time, that'd be honestly fucking great. But man, it's a great day. We've had beautiful weather towards the end of the day out here in Florida for riding. So I've been riding to the gym every fucking day, bro. It just gets me hyped. It's like I don't even need pre-workout. Ooh, the torque. If y'all have never ridden a Harley before, specifically the 117s, because I've never ridden anything else Harley wise or V-twin wise, y'all got to definitely, if you are going to and you're going to make it like a decision-making factor, make sure you get on one that has a pipe and at a bare minimum it's tuned. Riding a stock completely straight out the factory, no tune, no pipes, it puts a damper on the true experience, right? They got to pass emissions. So the ECU tuned straight out the factory is garbage. All right, you're gonna be like, wow, this thing's got torque until 3,000 RPMs, maybe. So don't do that to yourself. Don't let it be the decision-making factor. Get the opportunity to get one that has a few things done to it. And I know there's options, because I know that Harley Davidson allows you to test ride bikes. Go hop on a used one. Like, go find one that you see is done up a little bit. You know, if it has pipes, 9 times out of 10 it has a tune. It almost needs to, or you're going to be risking the integrity of your engine. But yeah, do that for yourself. Back tire's getting a little bald. I've been dropping the clutch a little bit more these past few weeks, so the back tire has definitely worn down much faster than it has in the past. All on private roads, of course, but we've definitely had some burning rubber going on, which is pretty legit. I actually have been practicing some rolling burnouts, but I still suck at them. So until I get them a little bit better, I'm not posting none of that shit, because I feel like a silly goose. Man, she comes off that line quick though. And we got the Honda guy trying to run up. Get your bitch ass in the house. Oh man, I thought he wanted to pull. Now to you, that might look like I was driving like an asshole. But to me, I'm getting out of that pack. Because, again, I don't trust people. Oh boy, that's awkward. That's awkward too. Let's just get out of that awkward situation. Oh man. So what's next, guys? Do we cam this or do we look for another bike? We can't look for another bike yet. We still have a little bit of work to do. And no, we won't be getting rid of this one. Thank you. Oh boy. Awkward again. Awkward again. But hey, I appreciate the appreciation of my tattoos, you know? They weren't cheap, so. See, this guy ain't looking. I'll just do the looking for him because I ain't fucking doing it. I feel bad for whoever's gonna live in these apartments because I ain't gonna be any quieter. Alright, y'all, pulling up now. We're gonna hit the gym and you know, I'll be back shortly, really.